Hello everyone. In our previous tutorial, we have seen the use of while loop. In this tutorial, we will learn about the do while loop and how do while loop is different from while loop. So this is the syntax for the do while loop. Do, block of statement, then there is a closing of do, then at the closing bracket, you have to mention the while condition with a semicolon. So what we see from here is that the statement within the do while loop will be executed at least once, because we will be writing the block of code within the do. So when you compile your program, it will first execute the block of code, then it will check your condition. That means the block of code which you will write for the while loop will be executed at least once. So let's see it practically. So this was our last program which we have seen in the while loop. See, there was one drawback while we were using this while loop which can be overcome in the do while loop. That is, we have used these two statements two times, over here and in between the while loop, which we can call as a code redundancy. That means we have used the same code again and again. So to eliminate this, to make the code more simplified, we can use do while loop. So now let's just create a new file for the do while loop, and we will be creating the same example, and I will tell you the difference practically. You can copy paste the same thing, but I think I should write it for you so that you can understand the difference. So let's ask for the password. So for taking a password, we have to declare the password. Declare the password. Now let's take an input from the user for the password. We have taken the input. Now let's mention the while condition. While we have mentioned the same while condition as it was mentioned in our previous example. Let's put a semicolon. See, what I have done till now is I have asked for the password. We have taken an input from the user at runtime, and we have given a condition for the while loop. Let's welcome our user too, and let's give a statement at the end if the condition was true. So what I have done till now is I have welcomed our user, then I have asked for the password within do, then I have given a condition that has to be met to exit the loop, that is for the correct password, and then at the end it will print a message that you have entered the right password, welcome. So let's execute the command first. Down in the console window you can see it is asking for the password. Let's enter a wrong password first. It's again asking me for the password. So it will keep on iterating until or unless I will provide it with the right password. When I will give 5555 and press enter, it will print output as you have entered right password, welcome. As you can see, we have used the same example but with a different approach. That is, in this we have used do while, and we have saved our code by 2 lines. That means in this we have written the same statement twice, before the while loop and within the while loop. But in do while loop, what I have done is I have written the statement for once only, and it will execute the same for me over and over again until or unless the condition is met. So what do while loop does is it will execute the block of code for once at least before the condition is checked. So this is the basic difference between while loop and do while loop. In our next tutorial, we will see the nesting of while loop. Thank you for watching.